Here's my old boy. He's 13 and I think he's 7 months. 13 and 7 months. This is Diesel. And he's the coolest dog that ever frickin' lived. Aren't you, old boy? He's my boy. I just love this guy. He's a little slow, but you know what? He's unbelievable. He's so freaking cool. It's okay. He doesn't like all these rocks, basically. So, it's okay. Take her easy. Take her slow. There's no rush, old boy. Take it nice and slow. Atta boy. We're coming down to some grass here, so you're gonna like that. Here comes the grass. Right here. Atta boy. Take it easy. Take it slow. A guy like you gets to take it as slow as you want. You're 13 and 7 months old, you get to do whatever you want. That's alright, buddy. I told you didn't want to go that far. Take it slow. I know, we're going to go to the water down below. We have a nice pool we're going to go to down below.